Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up direct deposit on Citizens Bank. Open the website, then click Login. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Login. Now, log in with your online user ID and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Service Center. Under Account Services, you will see an option for Set up Direct Deposit. Click on Set up Direct Deposit. Now, enter all the necessary information. First, enter your employer name. Next, select the pay frequency. Then enter information about you, such as your name, address, SSS/TIN, birthday and phone number. After that, select your direct deposit account. Lastly, click on Print/Save PDF. Once the form has been printed, hand it to your employer, and your pay will be automatically deposited on this account. That's how you set up direct deposit on Citizens Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.